I parked here this cartoony parked here this DS Tarzan. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of 7 toy vehicles really arranged. All are nice and beautiful model. So friends, now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. First one is here a big size mixer truck. Let's go. Oh friends, I parked here my first vehicle mixer truck. This is yellow, black and red color combination. Next one is here a cartoony model drum truck. I parked here this cartoony model drum truck beside this mixer truck. Here is a pink, paste and purple color combination. Now I will drive this fire service rescue team truck. I parked here this fire service rescue team truck. This is red, black and white color combination. Another one is here a DS Tarzan car. Parked here this DS Tarzan car. This is pink, yellow, white and black color combination. Next one is here a fire helicopter. I parked here this fire helicopter. This is a realistic model, red, black and white color combination helicopter. So friends, one by one already 5 vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. And here is another last 2 vehicles, and now I will drive this tourist bus. I also parked here this tourist bus beside this helicopter. This is a yellow, white and black color combination. And last one is here a police car. I also drive this one. Oh friends, I also parked here this police car. This is realistic model, white, black and red color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you, and you can see all are serially parked here. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.
Are you ready to give up?
Huh? It isn't over yet.
Huh?
Huh?
Huh?